Whether it's cleaning your home, maintaining your vehicle, or keeping your workplace tidy, the Lematec blower gun can help you quickly and effectively complete your tasks. This blower gun has multiple advantages that can help you tackle different cleaning needs with ease. First of all, the Lematec blower gun has an extendable feature that can easily reach narrow crevices and hard-to-reach areas, allowing you to deep clean and thoroughly remove dust and dirt. Additionally, the lightweight design of the blower gun allows for easy operation, without causing any arm fatigue during prolonged use. The Lematec blower gun also has a high flow rate, allowing for a quick and effective cleaning process. Whether you need to clean a large or a small area, this blower gun can quickly solve your problem. Moreover, the concentrated airflow nozzle design ensures a more targeted and effective cleaning result. Furthermore, the Lematec blower gun is highly suitable for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for cleaning high places and preventing the risks associated with working at heights. The Lematec blower gun is a highly practical cleaning tool that can help you tackle different cleaning needs with ease. If you need an efficient, user-friendly, and lightweight blower gun, the Lematec blower gun is definitely the best choice for you.